because we are new to the house, we had a home inspection done before we moved in, and we were given a list that was, I think, 32 pages long of things that needed to be repaired on the house. It was extremely easy, customer friendly, that we went straight to Direct Buy. We asked them for a preferred vendor. We met up with Steve, and we literally gave him this 32-page punch list and said, help us. And he came out with his team, and they were climbing on the roof, they were repairing gutters, they were just amazing to work with. They were doing painting jobs, they were reliable, they were prompt, they were time efficient, they were cost effective. And now I'm talking to them about additional projects. We want to redo the kitchen, we want to redo the basement, the bathrooms all need to be updated, and I won't consider calling anyone but Steve.